In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Meta Business Suite to Instagram. Before we begin, there are a few must-haves to avoid connection errors. Your Instagram profile needs to be set as a business or creator account, not a personal profile. You should already have a Facebook page connected to your business, and you must have admin access in Meta Business Suite. If any of those are missing, the connection option may not appear or it may fail halfway through. Let's get started by opening Meta Business Suite in your browser. Go to business.facebook.com, log in, and select the correct business if you manage more than one. Take a second to confirm you're in the right place by checking the business name at the top. This matters because assets are tied to a specific business in Meta. Next, head into Settings. Look for the gear icon on the left side and click it. In the Settings area, find and select Business Assets. This is where all of your connected properties live, including your Facebook page and soon your Instagram account. Now we'll add the Instagram account. Click Add Assets, then choose Instagram account from the list. If you don't see Instagram as an option, that usually means your role doesn't have admin permissions, or your Instagram is still set as a personal profile. Fix that first, then come back here. When prompted, log into Instagram. You can enter your Instagram username and password, or if your browser already recognizes the account, you may see a Continue as option. Use whichever is accurate for the account you're connecting. If Instagram asks for a security code or two-factor verification, follow the prompts to confirm it's you. After logging in, you'll be asked to confirm the connection. Click Confirm or Connect to authorize Meta Business Suite to link to that Instagram account. Give it a moment to process. When it succeeds, your Instagram is now linked to your business assets in Meta. To double-check that everything worked, return to Meta Business Suite and go to the Home or Dashboard view. You should see your Facebook page and your Instagram account displayed together, side by side. That's your visual confirmation that both profiles are connected under the same business. If something doesn't look right, revisit the requirements. Ensure you're an admin in Meta Business Suite. Make sure the Instagram is a business or creator account, and confirm the correct Facebook page is connected to the same business. A quick browser refresh or signing out and back in can also help the dashboard update. That's it. You've successfully linked Meta Business Suite to Instagram.